Hello guys, welcome to another video. So let's go ahead and create a blank canvas. So click on pick canvas. I think I'll be going with the size which is 1200 by 1500. So click right here, and here's our project. So what I want you to go ahead and do is to click right here and click on edit image. Okay, so here we are. So now let's import our first image. So add photo, and I think that one would be this one. So I'll click on add. Alright, so now I'm just going to zoom it in a bit. Okay, and I'll take this part a bit down like so. Alright, I think I'm okay with this position, so I'm just going to click right here. Okay, so now let us import the image of the sky. So we'll click on add photo again, and we'll pick up the sky, click add. Okay, so let's zoom it in to fit, and I think this one would be just fine right here. Okay, so I want to erase some part from it, so I'm just going to click right here, and I'll click on the erase. So I'm going to increase the size, maybe take down the hardness a bit. Okay, and then I'll just brush from the bottom like so. Okay, I think this looks fine enough. So once you're done, you can just click OK, and right. So I'm going to import one more image. I think this would be this one. Click on add. Alright, so let's zoom it in a bit. I think it looks fine right a bit. Yeah, okay. So I want to change the color of it. So the best and easy way to do that, I think, is to click on effects and click on colors, colorize. Okay, so I'm going to change the hue. I think this one is not that bad, and let's play with the blend mode and see. Okay, I really like overlay. So what I want to do, I don't want this color to be at every part of this sticker. So what I want to do is to erase it from some parts. So just click right here. I think I'm going to invert the selection like so, and then I'll click on shape, pick the circle. Alright, take this one up. It's kind of a bit really small, so alright, I'm going to add another shape. Then I'll put it right at the bottom. Okay, so now I can just use my restore tool, make it harder, and just brush. So you see how easy that was. Once you are satisfied, you can click right here, click here again, and this is it. Okay, so I want to add one more image. Click on add. This will be it. So I'll add this image to it. Click on add, and make it a bit bigger. Put it right here. So I want it to appear at the back of the can. So I'll click right here and bring it down like so. So let's erase those parts which we don't want to appear, and just erase like so. I think I'll increase the hardness and the size a bit. Okay, click on done, and after that I'll just click OK, and I think I'm going to add the final image, if not the final one. I think this one, add. So the first thing I want to do is to crop out that circle, and so to do that, click on cut art right here, click on shapes, pick the circle, and position it like so. Okay, so I'm click on done. Now put it right here, make it a bit smaller. Okay, so now let us add the final image, which is the texture. So click on add, and here is the texture. The first thing I want to do is to turn it black and white. So let's go over to effects, click this black and white. No, that's not the one. So click right here and pick this one. Okay, click on done. Now we can play with the blend mode. I think overlay works best for this kind of effect, and you can also play with the opacity. So I'm just going to leave mine at the top, then erase the part which I don't want, and later on I can reduce the opacity and see. Okay, I'm done with the masking. So once you are satisfied, click OK. So now you can reduce the opacity. I think this one looks fine to me, and I'm just going to click on done, and this is it. So what we want to do now is to export this and move over to Snapseed and do some magic. So click right here. So it has been saved. Now let's move over to Snapseed. So here we are in Snapseed, and as you can see, I've imported the image already. So I'll click right here, turn image, play with the brightness a bit. I think I'll make it a bit darker. The contrast, give it some contrast. What about saturation? Okay. Then ambience, take it down a bit. Highlights, I want to take it up. Shadows, take it down. Up. Okay. So now I can come over to curves. Take this part down. Give it a bit of bluish look. I can move over to reds. let's not make it too much. Okay, so let's see what green can do. Okay, all right, so I think this does a pretty good grading. What more can we do? Okay, let's add some vignettes. Okay, so this is it. And oh, I even forget to add some shadows to it. But anyway, you got the point. This is how you make this kind of photo manipulation. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.